So I've got 9 oasis cubes here, a little block I pulled out of my my little, I guess you'd call it a tray full, but these are 1 inch oasis cubes, and you can see I put the variety here and shoved it in between here, and that's so it's not sticking up, and I can cover it when it was well, beginning to grow. I just put a styrofoam cap on top of it. Anyway, I've got a lot more to plant over there, but for this video we're going to do this. This is Pac-Man broccoli. So we're going to pull these apart and place them in the FAWN. And this is how we're going to do it. This is the pool noodle. Cost me $1 at the Dollar General store. And I found that if I cut them about 1.5 inches, they don't float and they kind of wedge a little bit pretty good. So doing it on here is really easy. You just take and put the pool noodle at 1.5 inches right here, and you just bring the chop saw down so you can zip, go to the next one, zip, 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 zip. You can make a whole bunch in no time at all, and they look really good, really neat, perfect. Well, there you go, short time. I have a whole bag of, well, planter surrounders. I don't know what you call them, stability holders, whatever. So now all I have to do is just take this pair of scissors and cut through this, and we'll be set. Alright, I had 100% germination, 9 out of 9 germinated, and I took one and I went ahead and put it around it, and you can see here that these things float. So if you want to do a floating version of this, it'll probably work for sure for a while. I don't know, I bet as the stem grew it would still, you know, make it tense enough to float, but I don't know if it'll, you know, grow to maturity. Certainly it wouldn't, because it'd flip over. But anyway, I went off on a tangent. Anyway, let's go put these in the FAWN. Yeah, I know my fawns are dirty, but that's okay with me. You can see here we've got the broccoli in this one. There's a gutter underneath here, and these lines feed the gutter, so the gutter stays full, independent. Let me show you. Pull this out real quick. Independent of the main cavity of the FAWN system here. So I'm able to grow in a shallow water culture and a deeper water culture here. The other FAWN over there has the other broccolis. And let's go ahead and plant up some peppers. The peppers we're going to plant up are the ones off of this one. This is a pepper making machine here. And I'm not sure if my pepper video will come up, but I pulled off probably 20-25 of these on this one pepper plant, and this is the parent of the peppers we're going to plant. Call it California Brian. Here are the peppers on that. I didn't get the greatest germination, and I had some like helmet head here. Some of them didn't manage to find their way out, some didn't germinate. But anyway, that's enough probably to carry on the next generation, because this is, I think, the 4th generation. So it should be pretty close to true, and if not, I'll plant some more. These are ready to go in. Obviously they grew in a hydroponic environment, so they're used to being saturated, I guess is the term, which I wasn't quite sure if peppers could take it or not, but obviously these can at least. So we're going to continue with them in the FAWN as a form of nursery. I'm not sure if I'm going to let them mature there or not. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see how they do. Alright, call 6 California Brian are here. Let's see how they do. Alright, I planted a whole lot more tomatoes, and we're just using it as a nursery for now. You can see here as an example. Got one in here, and they kind of float like this, and if this level drops they would sink back down, so it's kind of cool. And the tag fits right where in the cut part is, so it all works out. It's Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. if you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here, check here, and hit save. You guys take care.